Hello geeks, welcome to my channel. My name is Ayan, and in this episode of Code and Solar, we are talking about buying electronic components from online stores in India for your next weekend project. So a lot of people has been posting in local community groups and forums from where they can buy electronic components, whether it is a sensor, a motor or an LCD display. So I'll share a list of 5 awesome cool electronic component shops all around the India where you can order it online and get it home delivered. Quick note before we start, I'm not sponsored by any of them. I just like buying from them for my projects because they are awesome stores with some awesome inventory. Yeah, so let's get started. I'll share the list and I'll also post a link to my blog if you like reading. Okay, so let's start with the list. The very first store in our list is Roboo.in. So this is based out in Pune, I guess, and they are the go-to shop for anyone looking to buy components for robotics. So as you can see, they have the frame for flying robots or drones, the chassis for your line followers and obstacle avoidance robot, and even some humanoids over here. So amazing store, known for their lithium polymer batteries. So they have all kind of lithium polymer batteries to power your project. I guess they're also providing free shipping for any project, any order above 1000 rupees. So definitely go check them out, Roboo.in. Okay, so the next store in our list is Proto Central. Personally, one of my favorite. They are based out in Bangalore and Massachusetts, USA. So they have partnership with SparkFun and Adafruit, and they are known for their open source in-house health products. So as you can see, they have a massive library of components which deals with open source health. So all these components, I believe, are open source, and they come out from crowdfunding campaigning launched by Proto Central. Proto Central is also very active in community, attending maker fairs and hackaday conferences around the world. So yeah, if you are into biotechnology or DIY healthcare, go check them out. And they also have other components like original Arduino boards and whatnot. Okay, so the next store in our list is MG Super Labs. So the store is based out in Nagpur, and they have a massive partnership from SparkFun, Red Beer Labs, Polulu, Intel, Little Bits, and they have a great category of different components, as you can see. So these are all the categories they're having some industrial components as well, bare conductive paints, wearable electronics component, and they're known for their 3D printing components and printers. One very good thing about MG Super Lab is if even with this massive library you cannot find what you are looking for, you can go to this on-demand page and you can fill this form and get the component which you are looking for, and they will source it for you. So that's an amazing thing. Definitely go check them out, MG Super Labs. The next store in our list is Fab2 Lab, which is the biggest, I guess, is the biggest component library in India. So any component which you cannot find in any other store, you might find it here. So they are based out in Bangalore, and they have all kind of components like you can see Makey or BBC Microbit, Asus Tinker board, Linaro's Dragon board, portable soldering irons, tools, and all these different kinds of categories which you can see over here. They also have tools, books which you can read on electronics and another items. So the only downside I feel about Fab2 Lab is it's on a bit costly side, but again they have fast shipping options, so definitely go check them out. Okay, so the last store in our list is Rido Labs, which is personally my favorite. So they are known for their DIY in-house kits. So they make a lot of different kits like this where you can learn different microcontrollers. So this one is for ARM LPC 2129 CAN Teach Yourself kit. So as you can see, it is a kit having all the different components on one board which you can use to learn this microcontroller and this platform in general. So they have a lot of different options for prototyping, and they also have a tool section where you can buy tools which every DIY should have, such as wire cutters, multimeters, soldering iron. So I'll show you their DIY kits. So here you can see they have different DIY kits: LPC 2138, 8089 S52, LPC 214 at Mega 32. So these are their in-house production which you can buy and teach yourself with these microcontrollers and get ready for your next project. So yeah, definitely go check them out. Rido Labs, they are based out in Kerala, have some amazing customer support. I have personal experience dealing with them. And yeah, so that's it for this list. Alright, that's it for this video. Hope you get some insights from different online stores to buy components in India. Share it with your friends if they are looking to get components for their weekend projects. Share down your projects if you're making some, and subscribe to my channel. I'll keep making such videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey man, what's up? Yeah, I was just wondering if you have a 10 kilo ohm resistor. I need it for a project. What do you mean use 5 kilo ohm? I also have 5 kilo ohm. I need 10 kilo ohms. Oh, you mean by connecting them in series I'll get 10 kilo ohm? Yeah. Oh yeah, I know that. Yeah, I totally forget. Thanks man. Thanks anyway.